Hello, I'm Ian Guest. I'm Head of Marketing here at Modality Systems. I'm here today with Nick Seagrave, who is CTO here at Modality Systems. We're going to talk a little bit about our diagnostic service. So you mentioned there about reporting back into the business there. So that makes this not just the sort of reactive, let's go and fix a problem type of approach. This is a proactive, how do we develop and how do we ensure that user experience by the sounds of it?
Yeah, it is, and it's not just going looking for problems. It potentially, it's a tool for continuous service improvement of how we can just make things better. You know, your environment may be performing, so let's call it an out of 10 score at 9 across, the various internal networks, Wi-Fi networks, and you can analyse those. And, you can have an improvement plan. Let's get those to 9.2, 9.5. There's things we can do on the network in this region, and with our analysis and bringing that out in terms of deep dive for that information, we can go, between these 2 points, you've got performance problems, let's fix that first. You've got a lot of people using poor headsets. You've got a Wi-Fi access point over here that's really having poor performance, and that's going to show up, take all your figures down in terms of how you're performing as a unit. So it's not just finding these problems, but then it's elevating everything in the business for you as well.
And I can imagine as a CTO or as a service owner of a sort of communications environment, it's not just having a healthy environment, it's also what is that experience. And it sounds to me that's what you're saying.
Well, that's the only way people will take to this is if they have a quality experience. You can spend all your time as a business, getting great comms out there. Use this tool. It's brilliant. It'll change the way you work, which it will. But if the first time they pick it up, they have a poor quality performance on that, they'll put it down again and quietly pick up their mobile, and they'll carry on, working on their mobile, and they won't tell you necessarily. So you'll just see usage, petering out at a certain level. So it's essential in driving both. Both those things need to happen, both the comms and as to why this is a great thing to do. But then you've got to back it up with the quality of the solution behind it.